In this video, I will show you how to publish your app on Base44. I already have an app here, this business overview dashboard, and as you can see, it is working inside the builder. Now let's publish it so people can access it online. To publish your app, go to the top right corner and hover over the Publish button. Click it, and you will see your available domains. Base44 gives you a free default domain, and your app will be published on that link. If you want to use your own custom domain, click Manage. Here you can see the different plans Base44 offers. To connect your own domain, you need to subscribe to a paid plan. For example, the Builder plan costs around $40 per month and allows you to use your own custom domain. If you do not want to pay, you can simply continue using the free Base44 domain. Now let's publish. Click Publish App. Base44 will open a new tab with your live site. You can now sign in using Google to access the app features. This is the live version of the app working on the web, and you can share this link with anyone. If you want to make changes later, just click Edit with Base44 in bottom right corner. You can modify anything you want, and once you're done, click Publish again to update the live version. That's how you publish your app on Base44. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more Base44 tutorials.